Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your own static TV effect. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe, it's free. So starting off, I already have this scene which just has a floor, a wall, and this TV model. So what you're going to want to do to create the static TV effect is you're going to want to create shader graph, URP, and lit shader graph. You can rename it whatever you want. For this sake, you can just rename it static TV. So once you're in here, you're going to want to open the static TV effect up. So first, you're going to want to add some simple noise. But before this, you're going to want to add two components. You're first going to want to add a UV. You're also going to want to add a random range. Attach time to that as well. Now if you connect all of this up, you will see that it makes a really good looking static TV effect like seen here. But if you want to change the color of this, it's not too difficult. All you're going to have to do is go in here and multiply the shader drag the simple noise into the actual shader. Now as you can see here, it's really white. You can either play around with the X to get a darker or lighter color, or you can create a node called color. From here, you can adjust the color to whatever you want. You can make it all different colors, but for our sake, we're just going to want to make it gray. I think this color looks nice. So you're just going to want to save your asset, and then after that, in the scene, create a new material. You can call it static. And then all you have to do is really simply just drag on the shader onto the material. And then just drag the material onto whatever object you want it to be on. So that's it. That's how you get this really simple static looking shader. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please subscribe.